In this video, I'm going to explain the partnership between YouTube TV and Verizon and how it benefits customers who want to enjoy live TV streaming alongside their internet or mobile services. Let's get started. This collaboration offers special promotions, bundled pricing, and added perks for Verizon customers. Verizon and YouTube TV have teamed up to provide exclusive deals for Verizon Wireless, Internet, and Fios customers. For example, Verizon often includes a subscription to YouTube TV as part of its promotional bundles, particularly for new customers. This means you might be able to get YouTube TV at a discounted rate or even free for a limited time when you sign up for certain Verizon plans, such as unlimited wireless plans or Fios Internet and home phone bundles. One popular offer is the inclusion of YouTube TV with Verizon's Welcome to 5G promotion. Eligible Verizon wireless customers on specific unlimited plans can receive a complimentary subscription to YouTube TV for several months before transitioning to the standard monthly rate. This is a great way to try out the service and enjoy live TV without additional costs up front. Additionally, Verizon customers can take advantage of seamless billing integration. Instead of paying YouTube TV directly, you can add your subscription to your Verizon bill, simplifying monthly payments. This also makes it easier to manage your accounts in one place. To check eligibility for these offers, visit Verizon's website or contact their customer support team. Keep in mind that promotions may vary by region and plan, so confirm the details before signing up. Once you've activated YouTube TV through Verizon, you can access it on multiple devices, including smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, and streaming devices like Roku or Fire Stick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on streaming services and partnerships. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you understand how the YouTube TV and Verizon partnership works. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.